How to cancel your Tinder subscription. Today in this video I'll show you exactly that, so follow up with me. First open Tinder and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to your settings. Scroll down until you find My Payment Account. Once you tap on it, go ahead and cancel the subscription from there. Now if you cannot do that from there for some reason, let me show you another method. Open Play Store and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From here tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Once you here tap on Subscriptions, and then from here you find your Tinder subscription, something that looks like this. Go ahead and tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom, and that's how we do it. Now if you're on an iPhone, you can do that by going to your settings and tapping on your name in the top right here, and then from here tap on Subscriptions and wait for the next screen to load up. Once it loads up, you can find all of your subscriptions here. You can go ahead and cancel the Tinder's one just like that. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.